Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Have you all had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Some children are joining now only. Okay, we will add all the children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you see me now properly, children?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can you see me now clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is the audio clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the before session, we have discussed the types of angles. The types of angles. And we have discussed 4 types of angles. And today now we have to discuss 3 more angles, 3 more types of angles. So last class we have discussed 4 types of angles. Brightlin, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say what are the types of angles we learned last class?
Zero angle,
Zero angle. Yes, very good.
then
Zero angle. Just before your lunch, we have discussed zero angle, then
zero angle,
acute
angle, right
angle.
angle,
Yes.
angle,
Right angle.
angle,
Obtuse angle. Yes, children.
angle.
Very good. So we were discussing last classes and all. We were discussing what is an angle. The angle is the figure joined by 2 rays and sharing the common initial point. That is common initial point. That is called vertex. And then we have different types of angles we were discussing. What's that? One is zero angle. As the name suggests, that is zero means nothing. Zero means nothing. That time I told you, if you don't know math, you are a zero. Yes, you remember? If you don't know math, you are a zero. So as the name suggests, zero angle means the initial ray does not move. The initial ray does not move to any distance. Understood? How you will remember zero angle? The angle measure will be 0 degree. The angle measure will be 0 degree. Degree.
Mama, I can't see.
Who cannot see? Can you see me now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the audio is also clear?
Yes.
Yes. So we were discussing the types of angles. Zero angle. How you will remember zero angle? The angle measure will be 0 degree. So 0 means nothing. So the initial ray does not move to any distance. That is zero angle. Then we have discussed what is an acute angle. Acute angle. Rohit, unmute yourself and tell me what is acute angle. The degree measure will be? Rohit, can you hear me? Degree measure will be? Degree measure will be? Less than?
9.
Less than? Who can say clearly?
Less than 90 degree.
90 degree. Very good. Yes, Alim. Yes, Alim. What is an acute angle? The degree measure will be? Unmute. Alim, unmute. Unmute and say the answer. children, now I think we are using this online system, and you should know now how to mute and unmute. Yes, when we asked your name, what you have to do in your system or in your computer, whatever it may be, you have to unmute. Then only the children I can able to understand or hear your sound. So Alim, what is the acute angle?
If the
Degree measure
initial
will
ray
be
moves to a distance such that the final ray lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, the angle formed is called an acute angle.
no need of this much big definition. You will not remember. So you have to remember how you will remember. It will be less than 90 degree.
90 degree.
Okay, the angle measure will be less than 90 degree. That is called acute angle. It is equal to 90 degree. The angle, the final ray and the initial ray.
Right angle.
Audio is not clear.
Right angle.
All of you, please check, increase the volume of
Ma'am,
your
I
device.
cannot
Okay.
see you and the video is not clear.
Who is that? Who cannot see me?
Ma'am, Angelina.
Angelina, check the all other children. I think they are able to see, and maybe check your Wi-Fi connection or something. Is it connected? Because how many of you can hear me? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, I can
How many of
hear
you can hear me and hear my voice? Raise your hand. I think almost all the children. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Anjana, please check the connection. Okay, maybe some error or something. So we were discussing about acute angle. Acute angle, the measure will be less than 90 degree. If the angle measure is equal to 90 degree, we will
Right
call
angle.
that angle will be
Right angle.
right angle.
Right angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Right angle.
There is
Can you
full
say
range,
one
but I cannot
example
see
for
you
right
and the
angle?
audio is not clear.
Who can see? Who can say what is an example for right angle? 90 degree. So can you say one example? Look at the corner of your room.
Corner of the file.
Ah, corner of the file. Very good. Corner of the file. Corner of this board.
Corner
Yes.
of the board.
Very good. So it will be. Very good. It's all example for
Ma'am,
right angles. And we have learned one more angle. What is that? What is that? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, what we'll say? Obtuse angle, the angle measure will be
More than
more than 90 degree.
More
More than 90 degree.
90 degree.
Yes. So, we have discussed in the last period angles, different types of angles. Different types of angles. We have discussed 4 types. One is zero angle. The degree measure will be 0 degree. And acute angle. The measure will be less than 90 degree. What about right angle? The measure will
Equal
be
to 90 degree.
90 degree. Now, it's obtuse angle. It will be,
More than 90 degree.
more than 90 degree, less
but it
than
will be less
180
than 180 degree. Yes.
180 degree.
Okay. Now, three more types of angles we are going to discuss now. One is
Right angle.
straight angle.
Rectangle.
Straight angle. You know what is a straight line? Yes. We have studied what is a straight
Equal
line.
to 180
Equal
degree.
to 180
It will be equal to 180. Very good. Straight line, as the line straight means the angle is like a protractor, one full turn. Says so it will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, very good. Now we will learn reflex angle. Reflex angle. What's that? Reflex angle.
Greater than 180 degree.
Greater than 180 degree. Okay. You have to remember all these names. In the last class, we have discussed only 4. That is zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Yes.
What is the definition of straight angle?
Okay, children, we will be discussing everything. Okay. Now we are learning straight angle. Straight angle, the angle measure will be equal to 180 degree. And then next one we learn reflex angle. Reflex angle, the degree measure will be more than 180 degree. And there is one complete angle.
Ma'am,
complete angle.
360 degree. Complete angle. 360
Complete angle, that will be 360 degree. One full complete means what? We will end, starting and ending point will be at the same point. Starting point and ending point, we will complete one full rotation. Understood? We are starting from here. We are moving and we are again reaching at the same point. So it will be 360 degree. Okay. Now we are going to, I am going to share the screen.
Ma'am, I can only see white screen.
Now you can see one white screen. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will do one more time. Then it will come easy board.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see the board. Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You can also.
Children, can you see the easy board now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, which color do you like? I think we will discuss with the pink. Yes?
Red, ma'am. Red.
Okay, next time red. Types of ankles. Last period we
Ma'am,
have
we have to
discussed
write
one
this.
Yes.
zero ankle.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Children, first we will, you will listen to me. No writing. Okay, I will give you time to write. I will give you time to write. Okay. So first we will discuss all the angles clearly. If you understand, then only we are going to write. Okay. All other detailed notes will be sent through WhatsApp. Now no need to write anything. Zero angle. What did I say? What will be the measure?
0 degree.
So the measure will be 0 degree. Understood? Now next one. Can you say?
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Less than 90 degree.
Flat 90 degree.
Okay, it will be less than
90 degree.
You know the spelling now. We have learned before crocodile mouth open and close. Less than means how? Greater than means the crocodile mouth open. Yes, all these we learned whenever we are learning. Less than, greater than. Now,
Right angle.
right angle.
Correct 90 degree.
Right angle.
Equal to 90 degree.
90
Degree.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one, obtuse angle.
Above 90 degree. More than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. And less than 180 degree.
More than 90 degree. But it will be
Less than 180
90 degree. Yes? Okay.
Straight angle.
Obtuse.
Equal to 180 degree.
Okay. Next one.
Straight angle.
Now this period we learned first one. What is that?
Straight angle.
Straight angle.
Straight
Straight.
angle. Straight angle.
It will be straight angle. What is the measure? It will be
180 degree.
180 degree. 180 degree. Next one, reflex angle.
Equal to 180 degree, ma'am. And straight angle is equal to 180 degree.
Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle, it will be greater than 180 degree. More than 180 degree. One more thing we have learned. What is that?
Complete
Complete
angle.
angle.
Complete angle. What is that? Complete angle. Can you note down these points now? Every time when you are writing in a rough book. Okay?
Am I finished writing?
Finished writing. Very good. Some are writing. Yes. 0 angle. As the name.
Ma'am, one more complete angle.
One more is there. That we will write. Let them write now this one.
Seventh one. More than. Ma'am, reflex angle is more than 180 degree. Who told us that more than 180 degree? It's less than 180 degree. Ma'am, you will write complete angle.
Okay, now we will write one more complete angle. I will erase the first two, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
But still.
You want red color, so I will start with the red color. Here it is, acute. Now the seventh one is complete angle.
Ma'am, what?
Complete angle. What is the measure for complete angle?
Full 360 degree.
360 degree. Yes. So if it is in a circle, you know, circle is a complete, okay? So that is a 360 degree. So first one, what we learned, 0 angle. 0 angle measure is 0 degree. And acute angle, it will be less than 90 degree. Right angle. Right angle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is calling?
Ma'am, Sia.
Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, the sixth one is not seeing.
Sixth one. Okay. That is, what is the sixth one? Who can tell me?
Reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle.
Yes, reflex angle. Reflex angle. I will write it. I think it's been down. We'll write here one more time. Reflex angle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
complete angle is 360 degree.
Reflex angle. What's the measure?
More than
90 degree. Children, I will send all the notes. Okay. Now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
need to no need to worry. You don't want to write everything now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we were discussing. Yes, children, did you understood what we have learned today? Yes, Fia, can you unmute and tell me straight angle? What is the measure for straight angle?
180 degree.
180 degree. Very good. Yes. Nandida, reflex angle. Unmute yourself. Unmute and say what is the reflex angle? What is the measure?
More than 180 degree.
Very good. More than 180 degree. Okay, Devak. Complete angle. Complete angle. 360 degree. Yes. Children, you have to be very careful about the measurements and the names. So one more time we will say what all types of angles we have learned. Types of angles we have learned now. 7 types of angles. Yes. 7 types of angles. One is 0 angle. 0 means you know that is 0 itself. 0 degree. There is no movement. There is no movement from the initial point to the final. So there is 0 degree. 0 degree. Okay, Anandesh. Anandesh, can you say acute angle? What is the measurement? Degree measure?
Lesser than 90 degree.
Less than 90 degree. Okay, less than 90 degree. Very good. So the measurement less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle. Then we learn what's that? Right angle. Right angle, the degree measure will be equal to
90 degree.
So we have learned 0 is 0 degree itself. Acute means less than 90 degree. Right angle means equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle
More than
90 degree. Then straight angle will be equal to
180 degree.
reflex angle
More than 180 degree.
more than 180 degree. Complete angle
Full 360 degree.
60 degree. It's like a circle now, full round. Okay. Now, Gautam, can you say 7 names in order? 7 types of angles.
Zero angle,
Zero angle,
acute angle,
acute angle,
right angle,
right angle,
obtuse angle,
obtuse angle,
straight angle,
straight angle,
reflex angle,
reflex angle,
complete angle.
complete angle. Very good. Clap for Gautam. Clap for Gaurav. Now, who is confident to say all these in order again one more time? You can raise your hand faster. Unmute. Yes, Richard. No, Richard, you can sit down and say the answer. Sit down and say the answer. Yes.
Zero angle,
Zero angle,
acute angle,
acute angle,
right angle,
right angle,
obtuse angle,
obtuse angle,
straight angle,
straight angle,
reflex angle,
reflex angle,
complete angle.
complete angle. Very good, very good. Now, Anandesh was also raising the hand. Yes? Anandesh also. Yes, start from the order. Yes.
Zero angle,
Zero angle,
acute angle,
acute angle,
right angle,
right angle,
obtuse angle,
obtuse angle,
straight angle,
straight angle,
reflex angle,
reflex angle,
Complete angle.
complete angle.
complete
Okay?
angle.
So, I will be, in the last period, you were eager to ask, no, you were eager to know that, is there any homework for us? Is there any homework for us? Can you draw one right angle today? Children? One right angle and one straight angle.
Ma'am, I drew the right angle.
Okay. Yesterday, some children already have sent me WhatsApp. Yesterday, I told you to draw an angle and measure it. Some children have already sent to me. Okay. Now, those who have not sent, you can send. And today's homework is that you have to draw one right angle, draw one right angle and
Straight angle.
straight angle. Okay.
In which we understand, ma'am? In which group?
Ma'am,
Which group?
ma'am,
Personal.
ma'am,
Can
yesterday's
you send
homework
the-
I did.
Can you send it in the group? No. Personal. You know my number. Yes, Gautam?
Ma'am, yesterday's homework I did the 90 degree.
With the 90 degree. So, you can take one acute angle and one straight angle.
Ma'am, I
One
did.
acute and one straight.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any
Ma'am,
doubt?
today's homework is
Ma'am,
Yes?
excuse me, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Complete degree. Ma'am.
One by one. Who is saying me now? Nandita, are you saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Can you tell complete degree angles?
that is 360 degree, like one circle, full round. Complete means one full round. When it finish, that will be 360 degree. So the starting point, where is the starting point? We will come back to the original position. Okay?
Okay,
You
ma'am.
are standing in one position and you take one full round, come back to the original position, then it becomes one full turn. That is called
Ma'am,
complete angle. Yes?
Thank you,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, who is asking?
Ma'am,
ma'am, fee.
excuse me. I have also.
Srihari? Who is asking me doubt?
Ma'am, Ananda.
Ayman? Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, last class you took any notes?
Yeah, I sent the notes.
Ma'am,
Today I will send the different types of angles, the notes, okay? You will complete it. Yes?
Ma'am, it's Fia.
Yes, Fia?
Ma'am, homework is only right angle and straight angle. Only that, ma'am.
Right angle and straight angle. Two angles you will draw and measure it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One more.
Now, all of you mute 1 minute. I will ask you.
Excuse me, ma'am. 1 minute. Ma'am, Ananda Krishna is asking something.
Yes, what's Andakshan?
Ma'am, I have also wrote that yesterday's homework and 90 degree.
Okay. Yesterday's homework, if you have written 90 degree, then today you can make it an acute angle and acute angle and
Straight angle.
straight angle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now listen on the board. I want to ask you some questions. I want to know whether you have understood.
I
Now,
have doubt.
1 minute, 1 minute, okay? Okay. Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? What is on the screen?
Protractor.
Protractor. What is on the screen? On the screen? Protractor. Why we will use protractor? Protractor is an instrument to measure angles. The protractor is an instrument to measure angles. And I told you, from 0, if you are making 0 in the inner circle, we will start from here. Okay? If we are taking 0 here, we will start from here. Okay? We will start from
Here.
0 to 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, like that. So, okay. Now, if I'm taking from here 0,
Ma'am, I can't see nothing in the board.
okay, wait.
Ma'am, protractor is gone.
Can you see the protractor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I'm taking from here to here, you know, it's from starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I can see the protractor. Ma'am, I can see the protractor.
Children, can you see the protractor?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No.
Can you see one angle on the board now?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Cannot see.
Ma'am.
Who cannot see?
I can see.
Can you see?
I can see an angle.
Now,
Yes, ma'am. I can see the angle.
I will make A, O,
B.
B. Now, Chris Joe,
Someone is scribbling.
you have to identify this angle. Identify AOB. Angle AOB.
B.
Which type of angle is this? Chris?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say which type of angle is this?
Acute angle.
Acute angle, yes. If I write here, it is 50 degree. That means it is less than 90.
angle.
AOB is equal to 50 degree. So what is that angle called? Acute angle. Okay, children. Now, if I draw like this, straight.
Right angle.
So it will be.
90
Who is that? Rohit. Can you say? What is this? If I write here, if it is 90 degree, what type of angle is this? Hello, can you say louder? Nandita, can you say what? This angle measure is 90 degree.
Right angle.
Right angle, very good. That is right angle.
Right angle.
I started from clockwise direction. That's why this angle is in this side. If I'm doing 0 from the anti-clockwise direction, we have to draw another way. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now another one more. I can.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Okay, 1 minute, children. So if I take this from here to here, what is that angle called? 90 degree?
90 degree.
Right angle. Now I am going to take this to the opposite. Okay.
Straight angle.
What is this?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. That is 80 degree. You have seen me taking from 0 to 180 degree. So what is this angle called?
Angle.
Straight angle.
Straight
Angle.
straight angle. Understood what is a straight angle?
Yes, ma'am.
We will start from here and we will rotate, and this angle is turning from 0 to here. Then it becomes acute angle, obtuse angle. Again, if it is full 180 degree, then we will say that angle is a straight angle. Understood? So we have discussed today. What are the things we have discussed today?
Zero angle.
Straight angle.
Is it clear?
Right angle.
Children, we have discussed the different types of angles. The zero angle, the measure is 0 degree. Then acute obtuse angle will be less than 90 degree.
90 degree.
Right angle will be is equal to 90 degree.
90 degree.
This angle more than 90.
90 degree.
Then straight angle is 180 degree. This angle is than 180 degree. Complete angle, that is degree. Understood? I will send the notes. Okay, children, you will write neatly and keep it with you. And whenever the homework is there, you have to do and show me in the WhatsApp. Okay? Now it's
Okay,
time
ma'am.
for end the meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you
Thank you,
tomorrow.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.